Welcome to our vlog. So, now we're going to talk about the region 4A or the Calabarzon region. The Calabarzon region is composed of 5 provinces, namely Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. So, as you can see on the map, the Calabarzon region is located at the southern part of Luzon Island, which composes of 5 provinces, 21 cities, and 122 municipalities, and a total of 4,019 barangays.
Cavite is known as the historical capital of the Philippines, and it is considered the birthplace of the Philippine independence. It got its name from the Tagalog word "kawit," meaning hoop, due to the shape of its land. In 1872, a revolt known as the Cavite-Murtani occurred, and 3 Filipino priests were involved in uprising against the Spanish rule. The main language spoken in Cavite ay Tagalog, Chabacano being the cruel language influenced by Spanish. In terms of religion, most people in Cavite are Roman Catholic, with smaller communities in Aglipayan and Iglesia ni Cristo followers. The remaining population practices other Christian sects of
And dito po natin makikita ang mga historical places na tinatawag nilang Aguinaldo's Shrine and Corregidor and the Kawit Church. Ito naman makikita natin ang mga festival na nagaganap sa Cavite. Ang una is ang Kalayaan Festival, Brigada Festival, at ang tinatawag nilang Sorteo Festival. At meron din silang Kumilang Festival, Kawayan Festival, and yung Pahimis Festival. Kabilang din dito yung tinatawag nilang Wagayway Festival at ang Tinapa Festival. Ito naman yung mga sikat na lugar na pinupuntahan nila sa Cavite. Isa dito ang Tagaytay Ridge, Cabag Ridge. Ito naman ang mga sikat na falls na matatagpuan sa Cavite. Ito ay ang mga tinatawag na Baliti Falls at Malibik-Libik Falls. Kasali din dito ang mga lugar na tinatawag nilang Puerto Azul, Gulong Tubig, at ang tinawag nilang Pico de Loro. At ang kanilang mga masasarap na pagkain, ito ay ang mga ginataang langka, tamales, puto bumbong, kutsinta, biko, obi, at ang bibingkoy.
Laguna Province. The Laguna Province is known for its strong agricultural and fishery industries, producing rice, sugarcane, citrus fruits, lanzones, and being the second largest coconut producer in the country. Laguna is also famous for its wood carving, paper mache figures, barong materials, and linen. The name Laguna comes from the Spanish word lago, meaning lake, as the province surrounds Laguna de Bay, the largest lake in the Philippines. Laguna is also known as the birthplace of the national hero Jose Rizal. The province is also famous for its art and traditions such as wood carving from the Paite and the Turumbo Festival in Pakil.
Ito ay ang mga historical places na matatagpuan sa Laguna. Ito ay ang kanilang tinatawag na Underground Cemetery at ang Louisiana Catholic Church. Ito naman ang mga sikat na lugar na matatagpuan sa Laguna. Ito ay ang mga Lake Caliraya, Japanese Garden, Rizal Shrine, Enchanted Kingdom, at ang National Arts Center. At ang kanilang mga special na recipe is ang mga matche, espasol, at atole.
Batangas is known as the cradle of Nueva Hills, for the many heroes and statement is produced It is a popular tourist destination with the beautiful beaches and famous diving spot. Batangas is also home to Taal volcano, one of the decades volcanoes. The province has a strong cultural identity, with a dialect of Tagalog closely resembling the Old Tagalog, spoken before Spanish colonization. Batangas also has one of the highest literacy rates in the country, at 96.5%. Historically, Batangas was explored by Spanish generals. Taal volcano interrupted burning the old town of Taal, and the capital was moved to Batangas City. The province was one of the first to revolt against Spanish in 1896, and Marcelo Agoncillo, a Batangueño, made the Philippine flag.
Ito naman ang mga festivals na nagaganap sa Batangas. Ito ang mga Anihan Festival, Sinokmani Festival, at ang Balsa Festival. Ang mga sikat na lugar na matatagpuan sa Batangas, ito ay ang Taal Volcano.
Kasali din dito ang Anilaw, Batangas, na meron silang diving package at The Farm at San Benito.
Ang kanilang mga sikat na pagkain ay tinatawag nilang kalderetang kambing at ang beef stick.
Rizal is bordered by Metro Manila to the west, by province of Bulacan to the north, Quezon to the east, and Laguna province to the south. The province also lies on the northern shores of Laguna Verde, the largest lake in the country. Rizal is a mountainous province perched on the western slopes of southern portion of the Sierra Madre mountain range. Antipolo City boasts of the wonderful view of Metro Manila, and it is where Hilugan's Taktak, a waterfall popular with tourists, can be found.
Mga sikat na lugar na matatagpuan sa Rizal, ito ay ang Batlag Falls at Hinulugang Taktak. Kasali din dito ang Daranak Falls at ang kanilang tinatawag na Mount Masungi Rock Formations. Ito naman ang kanilang mga masasarap na pagkain sa Rizal. Ito ang kanilang tinatawag na hibok-hibok, ginisang munggo with tinapa, sinantolan, at ang kanilang tinatawag na mules a la mariniere, kung saan niluto nila ang mussels sa white wine.
Quezon Province. Quezon is a province of the Philippines located in the Calabarzon region in Luzon. The province was named after Manuel L. Quezon, the second president of the Philippines, and its capital is Lucena City. Quezon City is not located in and should not be confused with Quezon Province. Quezon City is located in Metro Manila, a region to the west of Calabarzon, while Quezon Province is in eastern Calabarzon.
Ito ay mga sikat na lugar na matatagpuan sa Rizal, kabilang dito ang tinatawag na Quezon Memorial Circle. Ang kanilang tinatawag na mag-asawang bato at ang puting buhangin at ang Baloti Island. At ang kanilang mga masasarap na pagkain na tinatawag nilang lukban longganisa at bukayo.
So these are the top 5 best restaurants that can be found in Region 4A. First would be the Samira by Chef Chili Gonzalez, which will be found in Tagaytay. Samira by Chef Chili Gonzalez in Tagaytay is a must visit for food enthusiasts, offering an exceptional dining experience focused on exquisite grilling techniques. The restaurant's signature grilled experience highlights locally sourced meat and vegetables, while the 6-course tasting menus showcases Chef Chill's innovative take on modern Filipino cuisine. Sit in a stylish yet relaxed open-air ambience, guests can enjoy stunning views of lush greenery and a tranquil poolside, making it the perfect spot for any occasion. With a curated selection of wines and cocktails. Samira promises an unforgettable culinary journey in a serene, elegant setting. Next would be the Cafe at Cliff House, found in Tagaytay. It is a scene of outdoor dining overlooking scenic views of Taal Volcano. The Cafe at Cliff House has a stunning views of Taal Volcano. It serves a range of international dishes, perfect for those who want to enjoy great food with a view. Try their signature dishes like their hearty breakfast platters and fresh salads. The Lido Cucina China in Batangas. Lido Cucina China in Batangas blends traditional Chinese flavors with a Filipino twist. From their famous pancit Lido to their fresh dim sum, it's a restaurant where every dish bursts with flavor and personality. Next would be the Patis Tito Cafe Garden in Batangas. It is a scene of elegant plating of Filipino dishes at Patis Tito. For those seeking a modern Filipino experience, Patis Tito in Batangas offers a fusion of traditional Filipino dishes with a contemporary flair. Don't miss their famous patis sauces that elevate every dish to the next level. Last would be the Antonio in Tagaytay. Antonio's in Tagaytay is often regarded as one of the best fine dining restaurants in the Philippines, offering an upscale European-inspired menu. It's perfect for special occasions. Their tender steaks and fresh salads are a local favorite. And that's ends our vlog. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.